If you want to delete your itch.io account, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Before we begin, it's important to know that this action is permanent. Once your account is deleted, you will lose access to your uploads, posts, purchases, and other account data. So make sure you really want to continue before confirming anything. If this video helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate your support. Alright, let's get started. First, open the itch.io website and sign in to the account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the page near your username. You should see a drop-down next to your username, so click that menu to open your account options. From the drop-down list, click Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage your profile, security, and account preferences. On the settings screen, look at the left sidebar. You'll see different options listed there, and one of them will be Delete Account. Click Delete Account to open the account removal page. Now, before you do anything else, pause and read the warning carefully. Itch.io makes it very clear that deleting your account is irreversible. That means you won't be able to recover the account later, and your uploads, posts, and purchases will be removed. If you've bought games or have content tied to this account, make sure you understand exactly what will happen before proceeding. Once you've reviewed the warning and you're sure you want to continue, you'll need to enter your password. Type your account password into the password field. This is used to verify that it's really you requesting the deletion. After entering your password, click Confirm Password. If the password is correct and you've confirmed the action, itch.io will process the deletion request. At that point, your account will be scheduled for removal according to their account deletion process. Again, this is not something you can undo, so double check everything before clicking that final confirmation. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your itch.io account through the settings menu. Just remember to read every warning carefully and make sure you've backed up or reviewed anything important before deleting. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.